Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook account on iPhone. This is useful if you want to manage both accounts separately or stop the connection between Facebook and Instagram. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap the menu icon with the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, tap the first option called Accounts Center. Inside the Accounts Center, you will see several options related to connected accounts. Here, tap the option called Manage Accounts. As you can see on the screen, both your Facebook profile and your Instagram profile appear here because they are currently linked. If you want to unlink these accounts, simply tap Manage on your Instagram account. Then select Move out of this Accounts Center. Tap Move Account and confirm again by tapping Continue. After that, tap Yes, Finish Moving to complete the process. Your Instagram account is now unlinked from your Facebook account. This does not mean that your Instagram account has been deleted. It only removes the connection between both platforms. And that's it. Now you know how to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook account on iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!